Good afternoon, class. Today you will be making flashcards for each layer of the Earth so you can study from them for the quiz that is next Tuesday. So on Google Classroom, there's a link that will bring you to this page. On this page, you can create flashcards. The first thing you want to do is make a description. I would put layers of the Earth. After that, you can put subjects or a description if you want, but I'm just going to put a title for mine. You can make them private, which is what I would do, so only you can look at them. And down here, you are going to make your flashcards. It starts with 3, but you can add more. You just have to click Add New Card here, so now you have 4. You can also delete them if you need with the Delete button over here. So you're going to need to make 8 different flashcards, one for each layer of the Earth. So let's start together here. We'll start with the compositional layers. We have the crust, we have the mantle, and we have the core. So for the front page, you want to put the name of the layer, and on the back page, or on the back side, you want to put information about it. So one thing you want to include, is it a compositional layer or a physical layer? The crust, the mantle, and the core are all compositional layers because they are separated by what they're made out of, what they're composed of. The crust is the outermost layer, and because it's a compositional layer, we want to put what it's made out of. The crust is made of mostly silicate minerals. Okay, so that would be a good description of the crust. Now you want to go down to the mantle. I would put, it was also a compositional layer. It is not compositional, it's composition. My God, goodness. Compositional. Okay. Compositional layer, it is between the crust and the core. It is also made out of magnesium, oxygen, and silica. Okay, so for each of these layers, you want to write a description. You do this for the core, compositional layer. I'm not going to write the rest of the information. That's up to you. You need to do this for the 3 compositional layers and the 5 physical layers. You can find all the information on your notes or on your layers diagram assignment. You've done this a couple of times. So what I want you to do is to create these cards. Remember to make a new card. You click Add a New Card. You should have a total of 8. After you do that, you're going to go and say Create Set. Now you can study all of your cards. So you can go to flashcards, you go to Next, press space bar to begin, click, come on, work. If you click this should work. It's being kind of a pain for me right now. Memorize. How does this work? Use the keyboard shortcuts to move faster through your set. Crust. You can see the answer. You need to cut. You're quizzing yourself. These are flashcards so you can remember and memorize some of the characteristics of each layer. You can go to Test. You're going to read the description down here. Compositional layers, outermost layer, silicate minerals. Which layer is this? We would know this is the crust, so you'd put C. So it is a good way to quiz and make sure you are ready for the quiz on Tuesday. So that's what I'd like you to do, is to make these flashcards. If you have questions, please let me know. One other thing I want you to remember, Earth's layers is the assignment that we started earlier in the week. I would like for you to finish that today. I am taking that for a grade. It was the distance activity from earlier this week. So if you want to find it on Google Classroom, it's under the assignment, distance activities. If you have any questions, please let me know. Other than that, that is what you're doing today. So number 1, finish Earth's layers. Number 2, make flashcards. Number 3, I would say begin looking at the study guide. If you have any questions, please let me know.